Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to take the revision of two lessons, Pareshamapi Raksha Jeevitam and Niti Sara. This is taken from the work Simhasana Dvatrimashika written by Vararuchi. Once King Bhoja came to climb the Simhasana of Raja Vikramaditya, which has 32 dolls. Each time when Bhoja comes to climb the throne, each doll will be telling one story describing the virtues of Raja Vikramaditya. Now in this lesson, one doll will be describing the Paropakara Guna of Raja Vikramaditya. Once Raja went out of his kingdom to see what is going on in his kingdom in a disguise of a sage. He reached a forest and he was staying under the tree to take rest. On that tree, there was one Pakshi Raja by name Chiranjeevi. Other birds, they used to bring food and give it to him. And each day, every bird will be telling one curious incident that they have seen while roaming. Today, one bird will be telling one story. That bird is very unhappy because it saw one tragic incident. Now, the bird tells the story to Pakshi Raja. And doll is telling this story to King Bhoja. Kathayola vandu kathe. The story is like this. There was one demon, Bakasura, in Shaival Gosha mountain, and he used to kill the people of Palashanagara, whoever comes in front of him. So, those people made an agreement with this Bakasura that you don't kill whoever comes in front of you. We will be sending one person every day to you. The Bakasura agreed for that. One day it was a turn of a Brahmin. He had one daughter and a son. If the Brahmin goes, his wife will become widow. If the son goes, family will be destroyed. If the girl goes, daughter goes, then he will be failing in his duty as a householder. This was story told by bird to Pakshi Raja. This Brahmin was the friend of this bird in the previous birth. Raja, who was under the tree, was listening to all this matter, all this story of that Brahmin. Then suddenly Raja, who was having the nature of Paropakara Guna, and he went straight away to the place where the person will be killed by the demon. So he convinced the Brahmin and sent away, and he sat on that sacrificial boulder. Vajyashila mele kulita. When the demon came, he was surprised to see the person who was smiling. In previous cases, before his arrival, the person who was sitting on the sacrificial boulder almost dead. So he asked, "Who are you, great man? You are smiling. You are so courageous. And you look more bright and shining. How is it possible? Who are you?" Then the Raja says, "I feel myself pleased to sacrifice my body willingly for the sake of others. So, you fulfill your wish." Then he was very much impressed. Demon was very much impressed by the words of Raja, and he thinks really his task, great task, and his sacrificing his body for the sake of others is really a praiseworthy task. He becomes sad by seeing other sorrows and he has come here to save the life of others. So, Demon says, I am very happy with your this Paropakara Guna. So, you choose one boon. The Raja says, if you are happy with my Paropakara Guna, then from today onwards, you stop eating human beings. As you love your life, others also love your life. As you accept your life to be, others also accept. Others also expect their life to be. So, from today onwards, you don't kill anybody. You protect others' life also. Then Demon agreed and he stopped killing, and Raja Vikramaditya went to his kingdom. The story was told by doll to King Bhoja, and it asked, do you possess these qualities of Vikramaditya? Then Bhoja kept silent. That shows that he was not having, and he became silent. The story is over. Okay, this is the story. Now I am going to discuss the question answers of this lesson. First one, please open the page number 14. एकवाक्येन संस्कृतभाषया उत्तरं लिखत. विक्रमादित्य कथां का कथयति? Who tells the story of Vikramaditya? Vikramaditya Katha Uttalika Kathayati. It has come in the year 2015 and 20. Second one, Vikramaditya Katham Deshantaram Nirgataha. How did Vikramaditya, in which disguise he went to other countries? Vikramaditya Yogi Veshena Deshantaram Nirgataha. Third one, Raja Kim Asritya Ratrau Stitaha. Where did Raja stay at night? Raja Vrikshamulam Ekam Ashritya Ratrau Stitaha. Raja Vrikshamulam Ekam Ashritya Ratrau Stitaha. Now fourth one. Vriddha Pakshirajasya Nama Kim? Vriddha Pakshirajasya Nama Chiranjeevi. It has come in the year 2017 and 18. Now second question. Vitrayi Vakyaihi. Write in English or Kannada. First one. Nagaravasivihi janaihi rakshasaha kim muktaha. What was told by people of the town to Demon? That you have to write. You don't eat whoever comes on your way. You will send each person every day. So don't kill whoever comes in front of you. That you have to explain. It has come in the year 2019. Now second question. Vismitaha Rakshasaha Vikramadithyam Kim Pritchati. Rakshasa who was surprised. What did he ask Vikramaditya? Who are you, great person? Before my coming, the person previously used to die. You look more courageous and shining. Who are you, great person? That you have to explain. It has come in the year 2016. Now, third one. Vikramaditya Rakshasam Kim Upadishati. What did Vikramaditya advise Demon? It has come in the year 15, 18,
You are currently the only
and
person in this
20.
conference.
Now second one, third question, fill in the blanks. Dash dadati che santati chedo bhavishyati. The answer is putram dadati che. If the son is sacrificed, there will be destruction of family. Now second one, Tvam Atmanah dash Kuru. The answer is Samihitam. You fulfill your wish. Third one, 2018 it has come. Yasya Maranakala Samayataha Tasyendriyani dash Prapnuvanti. The answer is Glanim. Whose death time has come near, his organs become very weak. Now fourth one, पाठनाम उल्लिखे कहा कम प्रति अवदत् यो दुःखी सह सुहृदि दुःखं निवेद्य सुखी भवति. यो दुःखी, the person who is sad, if he shares his sorrow with his friend, he becomes happy. इदं वाक्यं प्रेषामपि रक्ष जीवितम् इति पाठा स्वीकृतं. For all the questions, this is the common sentence. चिरंजीवी अवदत् एकं पक्षिणं प्रति अवदत्. Second one, यम कमेवं मा भक्षय. Don't eat whoever comes on your way. इदं वाक्यं as it is, नगरवासिनः अवदन्. Because it is plural, so it is अवदन्. बकासुरं प्रति अवदन्. It has come in the year 2017. Now third one, मया परार्थमेतत् शरीरं दीयते स्वेच्छया. I am sacrificing my body for others willingly. ಮನಸಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ದೇಹವನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗಾಗಿ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದಂ ವಾಕ್ಯಂ ಪರೇಷಾಮಪಿ ರಕ್ಷ ಜೀವಿತಮಿತಿ ಪಾಠ ಸ್ವೀಕೃತಂ. ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯಃ ಅವದತ್ ರಾಕ್ಷಸಂ ಪ್ರತಿ ಅವದತ್. It has come in the year 2015 and 2018. Fourth question, त्वं विश्वस्य आर्तिं परिहरसि. You remove the miseries of the world. इदं वाक्यं बकासुरः अवदत् विक्रमादित्यं प्रति अवदत्. Fifth one, अद्य प्रभृति मनुष्य भक्षणं परित्यज. From today onwards you stop eating human beings. इदं वाक्यं विक्रमादित्यः अवदत् राक्षसं प्रति अवदत्. It has come in the year 2016 and 20. Now, Dashavakyaihi. Lesson name is a must. Vikramaadityasya paropakara gunam varnayata. Describe the helping nature of Vikramaditya. How he comes to save the life of Brahmin and he is ready to sacrifice his life willingly. That all you have to explain. It has come in the year 2016, 2018 and 2019. Second question. Vikramaadityasya prabhavena rakshasa katham parivartitah. By the influence of Vikramaditya, how was Daman changed? It has come in the year 2015 and 20. You have to explain how cruel he was previously, then afterwards how he changed by the advice of Vikramaditya. Now sixth one, Prashna Nirmana. First one, Chintaturanam na sukham na nidra. Chintaturanam. Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam. Kasya Kayoho Kesham. Kesham. Chintaturanam. Below you leave one line, then you write Kesham, underline the word. It has come in the year 2015. Now second one, Paradukkhena sadhavotyanta dukkhino bhavanti. Sadhavo. Sadhavo means sadhavaha. It is bahuvachana. Guruhu guru guravaha. Kaha kau ke. Third one. So you have to write K. Prashna Nirmana is K. Now third one, Puthalika Bhojarajam Prati Abhravi. Bhojarajam. It is Pullinga, so you have to write Kaha Kauke Kam. Bhojarajam Kam. Kam you have to write when it will be Napusakalinga. For example, Dhanam. It is Napusakalinga. That time you have to write Kim. Here it is Bhojaraja Pullinga. So you have to write Kam. It has come in the year 2016, 19 and 20. Now these questions are over. Now please open the grammar part, page number 114. Sandhi Vibhajata. First one, Kimapyascharya. Kimapi plus Ascharya. Yadinda vattu. Adanna ee kara madಬೇಕು. Kimapi plus Ascharya. End sandhi. Arthavid Raja. Arthavid plus Raja. The changing to the. It is just a sandhi. 2018. Ekaikam. Eka plus ekam. Eka plus ekam. Ekaikam. Vruddhi sandhi. Now, sandhim yojayata. Dukhena plus aham. Dukhenaham. Savarnadrika sandhi. Pashavo plus api. Pashavopi. Sarvasya plus artim. Sarvasyarthim. Now Vigraha Vakyam Likhata. Deshantaram Anyaha Deshaha. Desha is Pullinga, so Deshaha it comes in the second part. Instead of Antaram you have to keep Anya. Deshaha Pullinga, so you have to keep Anyaha. It comes in the first part. Vadhya Shila, Vadhyaya Shila. Vadhegagi Shila. Paranugraha, Parasmai Anugraha. Now Paropakara eva Vyaparaha. Paropakara Vyaparaha. Jivanam Maranam. Jiva Maranam. Short. Yoginaha Vesham. Yogi Vesham. It has come in the year 2015 and 16. Now Linga Vibhakti Puttalika. Strilinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Rajnaha. It is Pullinga Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana. It has come in the year 2015. Now Lakara Prashavachanani Asit. It has come in the year 2016, 18 and 20. Lang Lakar Pratham Purush Ekavachan. Bhakshaya. It is Lot Lakar Madhyam Purush Ekavachan. There is no suffix at the end. It has come in the year 2015 and 20. Padaparichyam Kuruta Nirgataha. Bhutakradanta Ta Pratyaya. Ta at the end. Niriksha. Ni prefix, ya suffix. So it is Lebantavayam Lep Pratyaya. Tyaktva. Tyaktva. Swantavayam Tva Pratyaya 2015.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Now Prayogam Parivartayata. Vikramadityaha Kalam Nayati. I have already told that also. Prayoga I have sent. Vikramadityaha Prathama to Tritiya Vikramaदित्यena. Kalam to Kalaha. Patham Patha, like that. Nayati Niyate. Now total sentence is Vikramaदित्यena Kalaha Niyate. Now Pathe Vidyamanani Bhutakradanta Rupani Chitva Likhata. Bhutakradanta Nirgataha Samayataha उक्तं स्थितः दृष्ट्वा भणितम् all the at the end भूतकृत त प्रत्यय now पाठे विद्यमानानि लट् and लङ् लकाराणि present tense and past tense करोति भवति नयति तिष्ठति these are all लट् लकार प्राविशत् उपाविशत् अब्रवीत् अपृच्छत् the at the end starting prefix a this is लङ् लकार now कन्नड भाषया आंग्ल भाषया वा अनुवादन चिंतातुराणां न सुखं न निद्रा ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡುವವರಿಗೆ ಸುಖವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿದ್ರೆಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ there is neither happiness nor sleep for worried persons there is neither happiness nor sleep for worried persons ಪಶುವೋಪಿ ಜೀವಂತಿ ಕೇವಲಂ ಸೋದರೋಂಬರಾಹ ಪಶುಗಳೂ ಸಹ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಪಾಡಿಗಾಗಿ ಜೀವಿಸುತ್ತವೆ even animals live for livelihood even animals live for livelihood so I hope you have understood you see the video and study very well now open Niti Sara lesson that also in detail I have explained in audio. Now just in brief I will tell. Niti Saraha, all Subhashitas are given here. In the first shloka, Ekenapi Surukshena, Pushpitena Sugandhina, Vasitam Tadvanam Sarvam Suputrena Pulamyata. Suputrena Pulamyata. Just as the family gets fame by Suputra, good son, like that, Tadvanam Suvasitam, the full forest is fragrant. By Ekenapi Surukshena, by even one tree. How that tree should be? Even by that one tree, Pushpitena Sugandhina. Sugandhina Pushpitena. That tree full of fragrant flowers. Even one tree full of fragrant flowers makes the whole forest fragrant. Just like one son can bring fame to the family. Second one, Adhama, Madhyama, Uttama. How is their nature? Adhama dhanam icchanti. Bad people want dhanam manam cha madhyamaha. Medium people they want money also and respect also. Uttama manam icchanti. Good people they want only respect. Mano hi mahatam dhanam. Mahatam mano hi dhanam. For good people, respect is only the wealth for them. Ekavakya, first question is there. Ke dhanam icchanti. Adhamaha dhanam icchanti. It has come in the year 2020. Means this year it has come. Okay, now third one. Shrutva dharma vijanati. By listening to the good words of people. Shrutva means here by listening to the words of good people. That means in the company of good people, dharma vijanati. One will understand what is dharma. What is the right thing. Tejati durmatim. He gives up his durmati. Bad intellect. Ketta buddhiyana bidtane. Jnanam avapnoti. He gets knowledge. Moksham avapnuya. He gets salvation. In this world, now in the modern times, if it is made applicable, he gets release from all bad things, miseries, sorrows. It has come in the year 2018. Translation. Fourth one, Kama krodhau tatha lobham Swadam Shringara Kautuke Atinidrati Seve Cha Vidyarthi Ashta Varjaye. Vidyarthi Ashta Varjaye. A student should give up 8 bad things. What are those? Kama, desire, krodha, anger, lobha, greed, swada, taste, shringara, love, kautuka, curiosity, atinidra, too much of sleep, atiseve, too much of dependence, service. Vidyarthi, he should give up all these 8 things. It has come in the year 2020. This year it has come. Now, fifth one. Our past deeds. Our deeds, our karma done in the previous birth, it will follow in the next janma also. How it follows? One example is given here. Yatha dhenu sahasreshu vatso gacchati mataram. Just as vatsa, calf, gacchati mataram, follows its mother, dhenu sahasreshu, even among 1,000 cows, ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಆಕಳುಗಳಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರು ತನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯಚ್ಚ ತಥಾ ಯಚ್ಚ ಕೃತಂ ಕರ್ಮ, ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಕರ್ತಾರಂ ಅನುಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಇಟ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್ ದ ಡೂವರ್. In the next janma, where is the doer? It will search and it will go and attach to him. Okay, now question is there. Kritam karma kam anugacchati. Kritam karma kartaram anugacchati. It has come in the year 2018. Now sixth one. Manasa chintitam karyam vacha naiva prakashayet. If you plan something in your mind, manasa chintitam karyam. If you plan some work in your mind, vacha naiva prakashayet. You should not express in words. Naiva, na plus eva. You should not express in words at all. Mantravat rakshayet gudham. You should be protected like hymns. Karye chapi niyojayet. Then it should be brought into action. Seventh one, the importance of knowledge. Kamadhenu guna vidya. Vidya is like Kamadhenu, means it gives everything, it fulfills all our wishes. Yakale phaladayini, he plus akale. Akale api, even in untimely fruit, it gives untimely fruit. ಅಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಫಲವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರವಾಸೇ ಮಾತೃ ಸದೃಶಿ. It is like mother during traveling, pravasi. Vidya gupta dhanam skrutam. Vidya is like hidden wealth. Third question, Kamadhenu guna ka. Kamadhenu guna vidya. It has come in the year 2016. See, Sayojayatam question is there. Pushpitaha. Vrikshaha, Mataphalani. It has come in the year 2015, 18 and 19. Shrutva, Jnanamapnoti. And Vidya, Gupta, Dhanam. Only one is there, Vishayaha, Prerayati Indriyam. Vishaya means worldly pleasure, they instigate organs. Now next one, 8. Vittena rakshate dharma. Dharma is protected by wealth. To do our dharma, we need money. Vidya yogena rakshate. Vidya is protected by yoga. Yoga means your meditation, concentration. Mruduna rakshate bhupa. Bhupa means king will be protected by mruduna, by soft punishment, by soft nature. He will be protected. If he is harsh, he will be removed by the subjects. Sastriya rakshate graham. Graham sastriya rakshate. The house will be protected by good woman. Question 4. Sastriya kim rakshate. Sastriya graham rakshate. Fill in the blanks. Third is there. Vidya dash rakshate. Vidya yogena rakshate. It has come in the year 2020. Now next one. This also describes the importance of Vidya. Dhanahino na hinascha. Dhanahina. If one is not having wealth, money, na hina. He is not mean. ಹಣವಿಲ್ಲದವನು ಕೀಳಲ್ಲ. ಧನಿಕಃ ಸ ಸುನಿಶ್ಚಯ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಆತನೇ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ. ರಿಯಲಿ he is rich. Then who is poor? Who is mean? ವಿದ್ಯಾರತ್ನೇನ ಯೋಹೀನಃ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರತ್ನವಿಲ್ಲದಂಥ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ಎ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ಲಜ್ಜಂ ಸಹ ಹೀನಃ ಸರ್ವವಸ್ತುಷು. He is mean in all the aspects. It has come in the year 2016 and 19 for translation. Now 20. Vishayamishalobhena manah prerayati indriyam. Our mind prerayati indriyam. It instigates the organs. Why? With a desire for vishayamisha, with a greed for worldly pleasures. Tan nirundhyat prayatnena. We should be controlled with effort. Tat plus nirundhyat. Anunasik sandhi. We should be controlled with effort. Jite. If win, if victory is got, tasmin jitendriya. He is only self-controlled person. He is only jitendriya. Already math following I had told Vishayah prerayati indriyam. Now, from shloka number 11, 12 and 11, 12 and 14. In these shlokas, Vitrayivaki answers are there. Vak sunruta, satya nudi, good words, truthful words. Daya, kindness. Dana, charity. Deenopagata rakshanam, deenar rakshane. The protection of people who seek for shelter. Sangaha satam. The company of the friendship of the good people. Sadhuhitam. Doing good to the noble people. These are Satpurusha Vrata. Ive Satpurushara Vrata. This is only the woe of good people. Vitrayivakyayi. First one, Satpurusha Vratam Kim. You mark 11th shloka anta barkodre. Then nimage easy gottagutte. It has come in the year 2017. Now 12th. Ye priyani cha bhashante prayachanti cha satkritam श्रीमंतो वंदे चरण देवास्ते नर विग्रह. ये प्रियाणि च भाषन्ते. Those who speak good, प्रयच्छन्ति च सत्कृतं, give that is good. श्रीमंत, they are only rich. वंदे चरण, respectable, ಅವರೇ ಪೂಜ್ಯರು. ದೇವಾಸ್ತೆ ನರ ವಿಗ್ರಹ, ಅವರೇ ನರರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ದೇವತೆಗಳು. They are only gods in the human forms. Nara Vigraha Devaha K. 12th sloka, you mark it. It has come in the year 2018. Now third one, 13th one. Bhagavat Chintayed Arthan. One should think of collecting the wealth like crane. ಬಕ ಪಕ್ಷಿಯ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಚಿತ್ತರಾಗಿ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಬಕ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಏಕಾಗ್ರ ಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಹವಚ್ಚ ಪರಾಕ್ರಮೆ. ಸಿಂಹದ ಹಾಗೆ ಪರಾಕ್ರಮಿಗಳಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲಯನ್. ಸಿಂಹವಚ್ಚ, ಸಿಂಹವತ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಚ. ವೃಕವಚ್ಚಾನುಲುಪ್ಪೇತ. ವೃಕವತ್ ಚ ಅನುಲುಪ್ಪೇತ. ವೃಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ವೂಲ್ಫ್. ಅನುಲುಪ್ಪೇತ, ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ರನ್ ಅವೇ. At the time of crisis, we should run away to save ourselves. Shashavacha vinishpate. Shashavatcha. Shashavatcha. It all Chitrasandhi. Simhavatcha. Vrikavatcha. Shashavatcha. We should all jump the hurdles like ಶಶ ಶಶ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೀಗೆ 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 ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಹರ್ಡಲ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಮೂವ್. ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೋಶಃ ಕಿಮ್ one question is there, ekavakya question is there. Arthan katam chintaye. How one should think of collecting the wealth? It has been repeated in 3 years, 2015, 17, 19. Arthan bhagavat chintaye. Now, 14th. Second sentence last. Kosha koshavata sada samraksha. Kosha Vata means kings. Sada always. Sauraksha kosha. Kings always should protect the treasury. For what? Dharma hetoho. For the sake of performing dharma. ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನ ಧರ್ಮದ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿಯನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಣ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅರ್ಥಾಯ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ. ಮನಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಭೃತ್ಯಾನಾಂ ಭರಣಾಯ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೇವಕರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಆಪದರ್ಥಂ ಚ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಕೋಶಃ ಕಿಮರ್ಥಂ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಃ. You mark it as 14 shloka in front of that question so that we can easily locate it. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟ್ರೆಜರಿಯನ್ನ? ಧರ್ಮ ಹೇತೋಹೋ ಧರ್ಮದ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ, ಅರ್ಥಾಯ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಭೃತ್ಯಾನಾಂ ಭರಣಾಯ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಪದರ್ಥಂಚ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. So king should protect his treasury for all these purposes. Now, last one. Second line last. Navambra vapi narakam na pashet. Narakam na pashet. One will not see the hell. Narakavanna nodalla. Yaru? Ashwathamekam. Environment protection. Ashwathamekam. One ಅಶ್ವತ್ಥ ಟ್ರೀ, ಫಿಗ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ವಿಚುಮಂದಂ ಏಕಂ, ಒಂದು ಲೈಮ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ನೆಗ್ರೋಧಂ ಏಕಂ, ಒನ್ ಬ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ದಶ ತಿಂತ್ರಿಣಿ, 10 ಟ್ಯಾಮರಿಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಕಪಿತ್ಥ ಬಿಲ್ವ ಆಮಲಕ ತ್ರಯಂ, 3 ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಒನ್ ಕಪಿತ್ತ, ಒನ್ ಬಿಲ್ವ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆಮಲಕ. ಆಮಲಕ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ, ಗೂಸ್ಬೆರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನವ ಆಮ್ರ and 9 mango trees. A person who plants 1 ashwatha tree, 1 lime tree, 1 banyan tree, 10 tamarind trees, 1 kapita, 1 bilva and 1 amalaka and 9 mango trees. He will not go to hell. This is all about shloka. Now, question number 3. Third shloka has come in the year 2018. Fourth shloka 2020. If you are not mark it. Sixth shloka 2015. Ninth shloka 16 and 19. And 10th shloka, it has come in the year 2017. You have to concentrate on these shlokas first. Remaining all shlokas also you have to study. We don't know whether questions may come or not. So, you be ready with all shlokas, but concentrate more on these shlokas. Now fill in the blanks. Simhavaccha dash parakrame. Navambravapi dash na pashe. Narakam na pashe. It has come in the year 2015 and 2017. Vidya dash rakshate. It has come in the year 2020. Okay students, I have solved all the question answers of this Niti Sara. Only grammar part is remaining. It is time up. So I will continue. I will discuss the grammar part of this Niti Sara in the next class. Thank you students.